So join me today. I'm in Gdańsk. What a beautiful city it is. And today we're off to the beach. So I've got my coffee, 7:30 in the morning, and we're going to a place called Sopot. It's a lovely beach resort. I know the area isn't renowned for its beaches, but today that's where I'm going. I'm going to check it out. So if you want to come to Gdańsk and you want to check the beach out, come and join me. So we're starting off at the local train station right in the centre here. Let's go catch this train, see how long it takes, and see how good the beaches are. There we go. So the train journey takes about 10 minutes. It's pretty quick. The carriages are really long. Plenty of seating and plenty of space for bikes, etc. as well if you're bringing a bike along. So just a couple of minutes away and we're going to see what's there. I believe there's a big pier, so that should be interesting.
Sopot.
Here we are. Let's go check the place out. Just straight out of the train station. Oh, what a pretty place this is. It's only my second Polish town I've visited. Went to Poznan last year, which I actually enjoyed. It's a bit, obviously, I think Poznan's a bit more, the Soviets put a stamp on that place a bit more than here, but I've walked around Gdańsk and I've got to say, what a beautiful city it is. Absolutely amazing. It's one of them places where I thought, I'll go one day, I'll go one day. So they made the decision, got there, and I'm absolutely blown away by how pretty and beautiful it is. Prices are a little bit not cheap, but they're not expensive, if you know what I mean. I'd say a good meal for a tenner, just under a pint of beer, 500 mils, up paying about £4, something like that. Yeah, so I had a good night out the first night, had a day off yesterday, and I'm back to my vlogging today, so off to the beach we go. This place is picture postcard, it's beautiful. Well, there's filmers were walking down to where the beach is, and you can see what there is here. It's early morning, it's 7:30. There won't be many people around. Well, it's probably about 10 to 8 now. I think this is the perfect time to visit. It's early morning, it's a bit cooler because it does get warm here. And yeah, it's a little bit quieter, so hopefully we should have a nice little walk today. I'm not really particular.
And it's not as well. This is a tourist resort, you know.
Here we go, the crooked house. Look at that. You can see that there's a guy there with a fish in his hand on a statue. Yeah, that's a crooked house directly behind me. You can hear the street cleaners just blasting all the streets. So yeah, reason I'm coming so early in the morning is I didn't want to come with all the crowds, and it's cool. It's really nice and cool this morning. So yeah, thought we'd get up early, get to the beach for the crowds. That's what TripAdvisor says. It says get here early from about 8 o'clock and beat the crowds. We've just come from down that avenue, and we're just heading this way down to the beach area. I don't know about you, but I do come to these European cities sometimes. It just makes me look back and look at Manchester where I live, and I think, you know, I just don't feel safe walking the streets in Manchester at night. It's just not a nice place anymore, Manchester. And when you come places like this, and it's just so beautifully designed, it feels safe, it's clean, and it's just the opposite of what Manchester is. When I've never been here before, but everywhere you turn, it's just beautiful. It's just so nice here. Here we go, I'm going to walk through the mist machine. Ooh. Fountain's not turned on at the moment, that's unfortunate. Yep, so you buy your tickets at the 10 zloty. You get them at the entrance of the pier here. Yeah, you don't have to come on the pier, you can go straight to the beach if you want, but I'm going to check out Sopot Pier and the pier up at the top. I'm going looking at the Baltic. So when people say Poland and places like Gdańsk, it's not really a place I think as a beach resort, but look at this, it's absolutely amazing. I wasn't expecting this. Just on the Baltic coastline, that is stunning. Wow. A nice light little breeze. Oh, this is beautiful. When I always think of Gdańsk, I think of the shipyard. I don't think of this beautiful coastline. Wow, look at that. That is just stunning. Wow. There you go, you can get a cruise. Let's have a look where they go. Oh, what a beautiful harbour. This is picture postcard, look at that. Make a jigsaw puzzle out of that. Here we go, get yourself a pirate boat experience. How cool is this? There you go, all the prices and times. Here we go, we've got the fountains on now, so I just thought I'd throw this clip in. That's alright, isn't it? So there you have it, that's just my little walk through around Sopot. Obviously I've come first thing in the morning, so it's not going to be particularly busy, which is one of the key reasons why I came actually. Nice and cool as well. And this afternoon I'm going to have a walk around Gdańsk, go around the main centres and the main areas there. And then pop out in the evening, and I might even do a little bit of like a river cruise around there, so Okay, so thanks for watching. Why not support the channel? Give me a thumbs up, ring the notification bell, click that subscribe button. It's completely free and you'll see more of my nonsense in your feed. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.